Hello guys, my name is Tamiry. I'm from Brazil. So I live in Istanbul 2 years. So I am a model, and I am so excited because it's my dream to make the breast surgery. So yeah, I don't have words to say. I'm happy, and also thank you for everything. They are very kind. They are doing how I want, exactly how I want. So yeah.
Okay, tell me, how did you decide the surgery?
Because I'm a model, so and also when I was young, you know, like everybody on the school have a boobs, so like, oh my God, why I am not so? And also it will help me to work more, you know, and I feel myself more confident, I think.
See you after the operation.
Yes, see you.
See you guys. Hello everyone, today is surgery day. How are you, Tamiry?
Oh, I'm so good. I'm fine.
Are you excited?
Yes.
A little bit nervous?
Yeah, a little bit, but I am happy.
How was your night?
Yeah, I slept good, so I calmed down, and I woke up so good, and yeah, was nice.
Do you have any dream for later?
I just
new bikini.
yes, this is the first things I do. It's one catalog with bikini. Yeah.
Tell me, the surgery will begin. Do you have any dream for later?
Yes. It's comic, but the first things that I wanna do is to go to the beach. Yeah, and enjoy.
Okay, why Swedish clinic, not other clinics?
Because I feel confidence. You do operation for another nations too. So and also speak English. And normally I'm from Brazil, and normally I need to do there, but I'm here and I'm confident with this clinic. So that's why I decided.